Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and today's video is going to be about planning, cleaning and getting sorted out. Because I'm so excited that my car is finally coming home. A couple of weeks, I don't know exactly when, but it's coming home. So we have to clean up the garage and do all the things that are necessary to make sure that we can put the car back together. So this video today is going to be about organization or something like that. Now you think I am in Maranello, but I'm not. Ta-da! No, you're not thinking that, I hope. Little project my dad and I are working on. Very fun. Something funny, strange. Yes, we were weird, I know. So cleaning up is going to be cleaning up this mess here. Getting the stuff. Oh, where you are? Oh, no, please don't. Start shaking. Getting this all sorted out. I know I've done a lot of things, but I have to make piles and then make a list on there or something else, somewhere else, to what to do, what to buy and what to prepare. Because when the car's here, I want to get it completed as soon as possible. Yeah. So let's clean up first. Well, it looks a lot cleaner, huh? Don't you think so? It's a lot better. Still the same old pile of junk. Let's have a look, and I will change you around, turn you around. Yep. So here we got the exhaust parts, manifolds, etc. all finished. One little job. I told you last time that I might change some of the rings, the clamps. Then we got here the box that was all cleaned. Still need to find a replacement for this one and that one with the burning hole, but I can't find anyone for sale. And I have to be careful because inside this panel is asbestos. Finished. Spare parts. This pile of junk needs to be painted. This is crap, can go away. This is partly finished, but it is clean, but I have to finish it up. Cleaning, all okay. And this box is the box we're gonna tackle this week. I think cleaning them up first and then put some paint on it. I got a little box to do it with. Turn around, yay! Here you can see what I've printed are the pictures of the complete disassembly of the Ferrari. And I'm gonna sit down, turn you around again. So what I did, I made pictures of every little part that I've torn apart. For example, I'm just gonna pick a page, not the best example, but here you can see that I unscrewed the parts, made photographs of it while it's laying on the ground, then worked on it, again made photographs. So I've got the complete progress documented. I'll put this one. Okay. So my basic theory in this one is that when the car is here in a few weeks, I'm gonna put the car back together in opposite direction. For example, the rear window was one of the last parts we've took out. That's not true. I'm lying because the seats are the last parts I took out, but I want to get the rear window first in. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna scroll to the list and I'm gonna make a plan with every part, when it's going to get on, what do I need for it, buying, etc. So I got myself a clipboard. It's now going to be about writing, ordering parts, and then meanwhile I hope to get the phone call that they started painting. So I still hope that I can make the time lapse, although next week, if they do it next week. My agenda is completely stacked, so I don't know if I can go there. You can solve that by liking and subscribing. Make sure that we got enough subscribers so I can make a living of this. Then I don't need to work anymore and I can film everything. Different story. Keep dreaming, Mark. So what we're gonna do now, make a list, and then we'll see what we're gonna do after that. So we got the basic list. It's not a lot. Actually, I am kinda happy with it. Need to buy some more stuff of this and some other small things, mainly parts, screws, bolts, etc. So we're gonna have to invest in that. And now, today, actually tomorrow, but in this video, we're gonna finish this box. Oh, it's heavy. And I'll show you. Yeah, there we have it. Yeah, you have the engine mounts. This part, I don't know exactly what everything is, but who cares. This is plastic, that's not belonging there. This is belonging over here. Oh, sorry guys, got distracted. So we're gonna clean this box up and get these parts painted. Except what wait, I'm stuttering. For the engine mounts, I think I said it before, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna make them beautiful again, because Guus thinks that they are okay, and well, if they are okay, they cost about 175 euros each without tax. So replacing 4 of them is an expensive job. So imagine that if I can save all 4, that's money in the pocket. But if we can't, then maybe we should replace only 1 or 2, and that saves a lot. So what we're gonna do today is clean them up first and then get them painted. And let's have a look at the final result. And while we're cleaning, I'm gonna clean that thing because it annoys me. So let's get started. Well, it's clean. Let's check the damage, and I'll turn you around. Here we have it. Well, as you can see, these are the brackets, and whatever we do, we have to reuse this one, those 4. But I'm having second thoughts right now, because by the way, it's cold, freaking cold, and I hate cold. Where's the summer when you need it? Oh, it's no, okay. Well, look, if you look very closely, you can see that the paint is chipping off. It's very, very bad. But also, that's the problem. I can, yeah, you see it? So the paint's just chipping off. And there is some surface rust, not that bad, but so what I can do, and I'll turn you around again. What I was trying to say, what I can do, I'll walk inside. I can send them to the coating. How do you call it in English? Powder coater. Yes, that's the word I was looking for. So I can send them to the powder coater. But Guus said, well, Mark, spray them yourself because they are gonna get damaged, and when you have the powder coat on it, then the paint will just chip off again. But on the other hand, I think when I paint it, then we damn sure know that the paint is gonna chip off. So I am not exactly sure what I should do with this. I can paint it, of course, but what we're gonna do first now is just strip it off. And yeah, well, I think I have to go to the powder coat. Let me know in the comments. If you know, let me know. Should I paint them or powder coat this? Yeah, that's it. So we're gonna continue sanding down because I'm doing it all wrong. Yes, making a mess of this. Let's have a look at the engine mounts. I'm too slow, don't you think so? I'm gonna walk inside because the wind is there. This is the engine mount and it's leaking, so I have to walk outside again. What do you guys think? Of course I'm gonna sand it down and paint it, but do you think this is reusable? I trust Guus, so I think it's okay. But well, they don't look that good except for this one. Looks like this one has already been changed, and this is fun to see. The numbers that are on it. Now I wonder what the numbers say. Is it a date? Like this one is checked, I guess. You see that? Yeah. Okay, well, let's continue our journey. Well, it took me a few moments to figure out the best way to get this thing cleaned up, and still not. I see a few parts that need my attention, but it looks like the good old sanding machine. No, the welding. No, not the welding. You know what I mean. Does the job at best. So we're gonna finish this one up, and I'm gonna paint it. I just decided, and then I'm gonna deliver it to Guus when he installs the engine, and he can choose to keep it painted or change it. And otherwise, then next year we have to get them off and do it again. But I don't think that is necessary. They look pretty good. They're in good shape, only some surface rust. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna paint this one first and see what the results are. Well, this is it, guys, finished. And here is the final result. All cleaned up, still a little bit wet, but overall pretty happy with how they turned out. And don't look like new, but they don't have to. Yeah, so job done. Let's start the next job. But for now, thank you for watching. See you again next time. Goodbye.